Ecological properties. In this video, we are going to see the main ecological characteristics of materials. Sustainability. A material is sustainable if the natural resource that precedes it regenerates at a rate greater than our consumption of it. A resource will be sustainable or not depending on how we use it. For example, oil is formed by organic remains that were buried in the subsoil for millions of years. In the 19th century, we began to use it at a large scale to produce fuels, and in a little more than 2 centuries, we have consumed a large percentage of the crude oil reserves. Nature generates oil at a very slow pace, and we are consuming it at a very fast rate. Therefore, we are not making a sustainable use of this resource. Other examples would be natural gas and coal. On the other hand, the wind and the sun are renewable resources. Every day, a large quantity of solar and wind energy is produced faster than we can use it. A material can be sustainable if we make a rational use of it. Biodegradable. We say that a material is biodegradable when it can be decomposed into the chemical elements that make it up because of different types of biological agents and environmental conditions. That is, biodegradable materials are those that nature can break down in a short time. Depending on the material, we consider it biodegradable if nature breaks it down into different substances in a period of 3 or 6 years or less. Organic compounds are biodegradable because they can produce compost in 6 months. However, a plastic bottle can take 500 years to decompose. Toxins. These materials are harmful for the environment. They can pollute water, soil, or the atmosphere, and are poisonous for living beings. Reusable. Reusable is a property not as much of the materials, but rather of objects. Reusable objects are those that can be used multiple times for the same use or even with different uses. Recyclable. A material can be recyclable when, after having been used in the manufacturing of a product, it can return to the industry as a raw material to make a completely new product. Remember that an object can be made up of various materials. The object can be used several times, but not all materials that form it have to be recyclable.